ওয়েলকাম টু নেক্সট সেশন অফ ড্রিমপোর্ট জবস রিপোর্ট জবস। আমাদের এটা হচ্ছে ট্রাভেল ম্যানেজার ট্রেনিং প্রোগ্রাম। আমরা বাংলাদেশে বসে বা দেশের বিভিন্ন কান্ট্রি থেকে কিভাবে একজন ট্রাভেল ম্যানেজার হিসেবে অন্য বাইরের কান্ট্রিগুলোতে রিমোটলি কাজ করতে পারবো। সো ওটা নিয়ে হচ্ছে আমাদের ট্রেনিং চলতেছে। যারা হচ্ছে একদম ইনএক্সপিরিয়েন্স পারসন, ট্রাভেল ম্যানেজার কোনো কিছুই জানে না, কোনো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স নেই, তারা হচ্ছে এই প্রোগ্রামটি দেখে নিজেকে দক্ষ করতে পারবে। প্রোগ্রামটি শুরু করার পূর্বে আমি আরো বলতে চাচ্ছি, আপনারা যদি আমার আগের সেশনটি না দেখে থাকেন তাহলে হচ্ছে ওইটা আগে দেখে নেবেন, দেন হচ্ছে পরবর্তী সেশনে আসবেন। আপনারা যদি ওই আগের সেশনটা না দেখেন তাহলে কিন্তু পরবর্তী সেশন কিছু বুঝতে পারবেন না। এখানে প্রতিটা সেশন একটার সাথে একটা কানেক্টেড থাকবে এবং প্রত্যেকটা চেইন অফ কমান্ডের মধ্যে থাকবে। আপনি একটা না দেখলে আরেকটা বুঝবেন না। সো আমরা আর দেরি না করে আমরা স্ক্রিনে চলে যাচ্ছি। আজকে হচ্ছে আমাদের যে টপিকটা অনলাইন সার্চ ইঞ্জিনস। সো আমরা এটার উপর আজকে ক্লাসটা শুরু করব। সো লেটস গো।
Welcome to Industry Know-How Training. In this part we will explore online flight search engines, or, in other words, online travel agencies. This part will take about 1 hour to pass. The topics will be online travel agencies and meta search engines, benefits and downsides of online travel agencies, how to conduct a proper flight search, one-way versus round trip, transits, layover, flight duration, baggage allowance, and finally, what determines a good fly, and how to find a good flight. An online travel agency is a travel website that specializes in the sale of travel products to consumers. Some agencies sell a variety of travel products including flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, activities, and packages, mostly using meta search engines. A meta search engine, or aggregator, is a search tool that uses another search engine's data to produce its own results from the internet. Basically, it's a site that does a search for you, like Google, only for flights, hotels, vacation packages, car rentals, cruises, and so on. The industry leader you probably already know. It's Booking Holdings, who own Booking.com. They also own Priceline, Agoda, Kayak, OpenTable, and other brands. Also, you probably heard of Expedia or Google Flight Search or TripAdvisor. All of those are online travel agencies. All the online travel agencies, or as we here call it, the market, are our competitors when it comes to deliver the best product to our customers. And as they say, know your enemy, and know him well. They offer quite a lot of benefits to their customers, which are fast solutions, quick booking procedure. They are available on different devices. You can search multiple sources at once. There are extended search options. It's an all-in-one booking, flight plus hotel plus car rental. You can also add extra services on the spot. You're going to ask, if online travel agencies are so good, what do we have over them? Well, quite a lot actually. As the search results are not updated immediately, the actual flight results and information might be not available at the time of booking. Another downside is that a regular client is not a travel professional. It's extremely easy to make a mistake and book something you're going to be sorry for later on. The most frequent mistakes clients make when using online booking engines. They might end up booking an extremely restrictive ticket, like a basic economy one, that doesn't include luggage. It's easy not to pay attention to the flight itinerary and book a long overnight layover in some random part of the globe. It also might be an excessively long flight. It's also easy to airports on a transit, and the client will have to run across a foreign city to a different airport with all his luggage. There is also a big chance that several airline companies share the flight, and it might become a problem in case of some dispute. There might be hidden stops for refueling on the way. There are a lot of sketchy third-party sites that sell tickets and charge extra upon booking, or it even might be a scam. Finally, customers frequently mix up the cities that have the same name. Did you know there are over 20 cities named Jackson in the United States? Another problem is the lack, or sometimes the complete absence of good customer service from the representatives of such sites. When and if you do reach them, usually those are people who will make you wait, put you through a lot of unnecessary procedures, and until you get your issue resolved, your flight will be long gone. There's also no possibility to simply ask for advice. It also makes sense to look at it from the perspective of how long time usually a regular person spends planning his or her vacation. In the United States alone, 0.7 billion minutes on travel sites. Within the 45 days before booking their trip, they add up to 145 visits to travel sites. Considering the hourly wage, and the amount of headache that it brings to non-professionals, it adds up to an amount of time that could have been spent in a more productive way. This is where you come in. Travel agents specialize in personalized service. You have heard this phrase in movies, "I'll just call my travel agent." In the United States and Canada, customer service means everything. So what's so good about travel agents? Travel agents and their CS are on call 24/7. They're there with you throughout the booking process and follow up afterward. Contacting an Otis customer service line often means wading through a chain of people. They're specialists. Agents have a personal understanding of your interests and insight into a specific destinations and segments of travel. A good travel agent spends time getting to know the customer and so can make recommendations tailored to what you want to do. They provide Despite all the websites, clients are desperate for a real human voice on the phone. They are clamoring for truly dedicated, genuine customer service and someone willing and eager to sell them what they want. They save your time. In a 2018 survey of more than 1,200 consumers, nearly one-third spent in excess of 4 hours, over multiple days, planning their own vacations. Travel advisors pull together flights, transfers, accommodation, tours, visits, meals and exclusive visits based on your preferences, so you can spend your time on other things. They save your money. Travel professionals have access to special discount codes and promotions through suppliers. They often can save an additional amount or provide return or referral discounts that wouldn't be available when booking through an OTA. They offer trip protection. Knowing the ups and downs of airlines, agents are not interested in the trip going bad. They offer plans for medical emergency, luggage loss coverage and flight delay compensation, as well as refund and exchange scenarios. Why do we use online search engines? Use search engines to evaluate competition, get ideas for customers' trip, educate yourself on flight options, see deals on flexible dates, check if what client found is real, match the price for your client that he has already found online. There are multiple sites out there. You need to know your way around most popular ones in order to be able to compete with them and use to your advantage.
ওকে, এবার হচ্ছে কোশ্চেন পর্ব। যেন আমরা কোশ্চেন পর্বে যাচ্ছি না। আশা করি আপনারা ভিডিওটা বুঝতে পারছেন। যদি না বুঝেন বারবার পজ করে অনেকবার রিপিট করে দেখবেন, আশা করি বুঝতে পারবেন। ঠিক আছে? সো ভালো থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।